to my channel. This is Life with Aunt. Yay! I wanted to come on here today and do a quick, sort of quick video. I'm having issues with my hair, okay? When I bleached it and did a deep conditioning treatment on it, the conditioning treatment made my hair so difficult to pull apart and stuff. It was not at all what I thought it was going to be, so I'm very frustrated and disappointed in that, but it happens. Anyway, I did put a icy blue look on my hair, thinking maybe that would help it, you know, just have the dye in it. Because I always use semi-permanent dyes and they're very conditioning based, and I thought, oh man, this is gonna be great, it's gonna fix it. Well, I think you can tell by looking, it didn't fix it. Which, I mean, it's not gonna repair the damage or glue hair back to your head or anything, but I thought that it would make it a lot healthier what I do have left. Now, as you can see, I've got broken off pieces through here. And I cut bangs, but not that far back. So anyway, also, especially in the back here, I have a lot of breakage. And at the nape of my neck, a lot. So, in fact, I'll try to show you. I don't know if y'all can see that, but some of these hairs only go to here. See? Anyway. And that's, you know, there's little spots all over the head. Anyway, my hair, when it's wet especially, feels almost gummy. Kind of has that cotton candy feel just a little bit, real sticky and gooey and ew. Anyway, it's very damaged. Now, before I did that bleaching video, I thankfully had gone to, take two. Okay. Welcome back to my channel. This is Life with Aunt. Yay! I wanted to come on here and do a quick video today. As you saw in like 2 videos back, I bleached my roots. Conditioning mask that I put on was not what I thought it was, and it was not good for my hair. It, especially trying to separate the hair to bleach the roots at the same time, it wound up pulling on the hair when it was in a delicate state. Anyway, I have a lot of damage. Okay, I'm sure you can see it. There's this piece. There are pieces here. There are pieces back here that are in the same shape. Like, I don't know if you can see them, but anyway, there's a bunch of breakage. Okay. When my hair is wet, it feels gummy, I guess, or yeah, gummy, I would say. Anyway, kind of like cotton candy or just gooey. Anyway, it's because of the damage. When I was at Sally's, we gotta love Sally's. When I was at Sally's, I bought the Aphogee Two Step Treatment. I hope you can read that. Anyway, and with it, I got the Balancing Moisturizer. I have been doing some serious research on this because I did not trust myself to decide whether or not I needed it. So I have been looking stuff up and asking pretty much everyone's advice. with the hair feeling gummy like this, yeah, it needs it. It needs a protein treatment. But you have to be careful, because if you put too many proteins in your hair and you don't have that moisturizing balance, it can actually make your hair worse, make it break off, because it's like way too much protein. You have to have a balance. There's a very fine line there where you gotta have enough moisture, but you also have to have enough proteins. I was sitting there having coffee with my son, and we were visiting, and he told me a story. There was a couple, and this is, I guess, a parable, is what you would call it. But anyway, there was a couple, and their anniversary was coming up, and they didn't have much money. Well, the man owned a pocket watch that came from his grandfather, and he sold the pocket watch in order to get a comb for his wife's hair, a decorative comb. And his wife, who also was worrying about not having enough money, knew that he really cared about this pocket watch, and so she went in, cut off her hair, and sold it to get enough money to buy a chain for his pocket watch. My son, who always happens to see things from a different light, told me the thing is about that story, he might not ever get his pocket watch back, but the wife's hair will grow back. I have to keep this in mind, because even if I screw up and I break my hair off, I'm not going to get upset, because eventually it will grow back. It might not be what I want at the moment, but it does grow back. So anyway, having said that, I feel much more confident and much more ready. The directions say to apply this to damp or towel dried hair. Excuse me. They also state that you need to shampoo your hair with regular shampoo before you do this. Okay. The shampoo that I normally use has argan oil and some other things in it, which is good for your hair. But when you're trying to cleanse your hair in order to do a treatment like this, I didn't think that was a good idea to use the argan oil one. So I didn't. What I used was plain Jane VO5 strawberries and cream. I did have the real pretty icy blue look, and of course, you know, I shampooed it and I used cool water, but it has sulfate in it. I mean, it is what it is. It's what I had. So a lot of my color is faded. Anyway, I shampooed it, no conditioner, and then I very gently towel dried it and used a wet brush. You can see all the hairs that came out and broke off while I was brushing. Anyway, I have the step 1, or the white bottle, the one that says 2-step. Okay, I have the white bottle. I poured some in here so that I would be easier to apply with this, and here we go.
Lately, I've been lying to myself. No, I need to get some help. Hoping you could save me, baby. Put our pictures on the shelf. Swore I'm over you, oh well. It's not that easy. Waking up in this place all alone. Staying up night and day on the phone. I need me to be whole again. Thought you were the piece missing from that. You're not the one. No, no.
Okay, we're coated. Now that I feel like the hair is thoroughly coated, you are supposed to gently blow dry your hair, apply heat until it gets literally hard and crunchy. Fun.
You're not the one, no, no, no. I'm moving on I've been trying to fix the mess, get myself up out of bed, but I'm feeling empty. Maybe I need to try something else, get you out of my head, you can't save me. Waking up in this place all alone, staying up night and day on the phone. You're not the one, no, no. You're not the one, no, no, no. I'm moving on and fading quick on. That's what you got me thinking lately. It's been harder for me now. 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 But I'll get through it somehow. But I'll get through it somehow. But I'll get through it somehow. But I'll get through it somehow.
Wow. I'm like scared to move my hair right now. That took forever. It's okay. Anyway, next step is you're gonna step into the shower, rinse it really, really well until you feel like all of this is out. Don't agitate your hair. Agitate? Don't mess with your hair. Let the shower head do most of the work. Once you apply your balancing moisturizer, you're supposed to leave it on for 2 minutes minimum, and then rinse your hair and style as usual. Okay, I just wanted to come on here real quick and show y'all. This is after rinsing out the Aphogee. This is after I put conditioner on. Or not conditioner, it's moisturizer. Balancing moisturizer. Whatever. Anyway, I'm going to finish applying this to all the rest of my hair and then wait 2 minutes, step back in the shower, rinse one more time with warm water, and then I'll be back. Oh, this stuff, super thick. Ah! That went everywhere. Okay, here. I mean, it is super thick, just so y'all know. Anyway. Wow, I made a mess. Big mess. It's fine. Okay, guys, this is how my hair turned out. It looks really good. Like, it feels really good. It feels so much stronger, and some of the color, yes, faded big time. But the gray is like, or silver, I guess, is completely gone. A bunch of the blue is gone through the mids. I do still have quite a bit at the root, you know. Since everything has faded out so much, so quickly, I may go ahead and film a hair coloring video next. So if you want to see what crazy thing I do to my hair next, subscribe. Be sure to like the video if you enjoyed it. Until next time, guys, be fun, be weird, but most important, be you. See you next time.